Hi, I'm Tim with AutoZone, and I'm going to share some tips on how to store your motorcycle for the winter. It's getting cold once again, and motorcycle owners across America have to put their bikes away until the spring. Here's how you can keep your motorcycle safe for the winter. A lot of people think that emptying the tank is the best option for motorcycle storage, but the opposite is true. It's preferable to have a full fuel tank with good fuel stabilizer to prevent cracks and corrosion. For best results, top off your tank, add the fuel stabilizer before taking a short ride to the storage place, or let it run for enough time for the stabilizer to run through the engine, usually about 5 to 10 minutes. When it comes to winter storage, some people prefer to remove a motorcycle's battery entirely, but that's not always the best option. If you do remove it, make sure that you store the battery in a warm place, preferably with a trickle charger attached. You can be sure that your vehicle's battery is constantly charged and everything's going to work when you come back in the spring. Now, before putting your bike away completely, make sure that you have a fresh oil change. That way you're ready to start fresh in the spring. When storing your motorcycle, it's best to keep as much weight as possible off the tires to prevent the formation of flat spots and general wear and tear. The best option for this is to put the bike on a stand, but if you can't do that, fill the tires to maximum PSI. It's also a good idea to roll the tires every so often during the winter. If you're careful with your bike, it should be good to go come springtime. And remember, if you need a battery, AutoZone has everything you need and more. For more car and motorcycle tips and videos, be sure to like and subscribe to the AutoZone channel. We'll see you next time.